In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started. Monday.com tutorials. 5 minutes. Let's get you set up quickly and confidently. Begin by heading to the Monday.com website and clicking Get Started. This takes you straight into account creation so you can try things hands-on right away. You'll be prompted to enter your email. From there, you can activate a 14-day free trial of the Pro plan with no credit card required, which is perfect for exploring features without commitment. Tip: use a work email if you plan to collaborate with your team, so invites and notifications route cleanly. Once you're inside, think about your structure. Workspaces are your top-level containers for departments, clients, or big initiatives. Inside each workspace, you'll create boards, which are the tables where your day-to-day work lives. Clear naming goes a long way. Use names that describe the goal, like marketing launch or client onboarding, so teammates instantly know where to go. When you create a board, you can start from a blank slate or pick a template. Templates are great if you want a quick, proven structure for things like project tracking, CRM, or content calendars. If you already know your process, a blank board gives you full control. Either way, you can customize everything later, so don't worry about making it perfect on the first pass. Now, structure your data. Items are your rows. These might be tasks, deals, or deliverables. Use groups to cluster items by phase, priority, or time frame, like this month, next month, or completed. Then add columns to capture the details that matter: status for progress, date for deadlines, and owner to assign responsibility. You'll find many column types, including numbers, text, files, and more, so keep your columns tight and meaningful. The status column is your progress heartbeat. Customize labels to reflect your actual workflow and color code them so scanning the board is effortless. You can have up to 40 labels, but aim for a concise set that mirrors your real stages, such as planned, in progress, blocked, and done. Next, save time with simple automations. For example, automatically change a status when a due date arrives or assign items to a teammate when a group changes. Start small, test with a sample item, and make sure notifications and updates are useful rather than noisy. Finally, invite your team and set permissions. Add members to the right workspace or board and choose access levels so people see and edit only what they need. This keeps collaboration smooth and your data secure. That's your quick start. Build your first board, try a template, add a few automations, and you'll be up and running in minutes.